Pole. Good afternoon. Here I am after a long time with vet for your pet. Only like this punte was brought in with accidental intake of weed. So the thing that you should consider is if you weed or if you have pollen weed, please keep it in a safe place so that your puppy doesn't ingest it. It's really serious matter. With medical attention, anything can happen. With you, rush to a vet. Video like he was really high, and after the antidote, like so you can see the look into my eyes. He's already fresh. So he already pooped, peeping and he's fine. He's going back, chill, fresh. So one more, as the jokes apart, please be very sincere about the cannabis stuffs. Please do keep it in a safe place so that your pets doesn't eat it. If it eats the cannabis stuff, it's life-threatening at times. And then if you find them eating it, rush to a vet immediately. Thank you very much.